Hello dear viewers, welcome back to MedChem Companion channel. Today I am going to discuss the synthesis of benzocaine. Benzocaine comes under the category local anesthetic. It's a drug of local anesthetic category. It is classified under the class ester of para-aminobenzoic acid. So in order to plan the synthesis, we first draw the structure and find out the starting material. So ester of para-aminobenzoic acid means first we need to draw the para-aminobenzoic acid group. This is your para-aminobenzoic acid, and benzocaine is the ethyl ester of this para-aminobenzoic acid. Now in order to plan the synthesis, we need to break this drug molecule into such a component so that a suitable reagent of that component can be easily available. So the most vulnerable bond in this drug is ester bond. So if I break this drug from this side or this ester bond, then two entity will be obtained. First one is your para-aminobenzoic acid and second one is your ethanol. And we know very well that ester can be synthesized by reacting acid with alcohol. Now, can we get this carboxyl group from some other reagent or starting material? Yes, of course. If this is a single carbon, so that if it is single carbon, then we can get this carboxyl group from methyl group by what? By oxidation. And this amine group can be obtained by another functional group nitro by what? By reduction. So from where I should start the reaction, or from which reagent I should start this reaction? So let's find out the answer. I will start the synthesis of this drug molecule from toluene. From where? Toluene. This is your toluene. What I will do, first I will do the nitration, and you know very well the reagent used for nitration. You have studied in your organic chemistry, H2SO4 and HNO3. When the mixture of both this acid is used on toluene, then nitration of toluene occurs as this methyl group is para-directing. So what happens? This methyl group is para-directing, so it will direct the nitro group to para position. Now what I will do, in order to convert this group into acid, because we need acid here so that we can esterify it with alcohol. So what I will do, I will again do oxidation. Oxidation in the presence of KMnO4. So oxidation takes place and this NO2 remains as such, and CH3 groups gets converted into acid. Now we have acid and we need an ester bond. So what we will do? We need to do the esterification reaction. What? Esterification. Esterification in the presence of ethanol, C2H5OH, and this esterification happens under acidic media. So H2SO4 is used here, and what happens? Esterification takes place, and side by side we will get a byproduct of water. So what happens? This NO2 remains as such, this is your NO2, this is your benzene nucleus, and this is your COO, and this ethyl moiety get attached to this position C2H5. Now this side is okay, but at this position nitro group is there, so we need to convert this group into amine group. So what we will do, we will do the reduction, metallic reduction, Tene HCl, in the presence of Tene HCl. So what will happen is NO2 gets converted into NH2, and this benzene ring remains as such. This is your ester bond and this is your ethyl. So finally we will get the benzocane. In this way we synthesize benzocane. I hope you understand the logic behind this benzocane synthesis. Next we will see synthesis of procane. Thank you.